Yes, that's me, and I like fishing, but I also enjoy many things, like running,
Rollerblading.
playing ping pong, reading books, driving, and I love going out for a coffee. It's my special way of relaxing and also a great time to generate ideas. Hi, my name is Max, and I am a video editor. I have over 3 years of video editing experience and have spent thousands of hours honing my skills. Within a year, I became a top-rated freelancer on Upwork. And in 2, I started working full-time as a video editor for a real estate agency in Chicago. But let's go back to 2019, when I had big plans for a career as a professional dancer.
What?
That's correct, as a dancer. So, what happened next, you ask? I realized the world has changed. Online jobs were growing fast, and it was important to have a backup plan. I started to think about which job I could choose to have as a side gig if I didn't have enough dance work. I became like a sponge, watching YouTube tutorials, taking courses and offering my services to friends and colleagues, sometimes even for free.
No way!
I knew I needed experience. And you know what? It worked!
My experience in dancing helped me improve my skills as a video editor and a videographer for Kyiv Modern Ballet.
If you think I can be helpful to you and you are looking for a creative person, then I would love to be part of your team. Have a great day and goodbye!